Check this.
Stanley?
Yes, honey?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the bar.
Can I come?
Yes.
Eunice?
Yes, honey.
I'm going to the boys.
All right.
Hurry up, honey. Let's go.
What's wrong, girl? Are you lost?
Can this be a Legion field?
Yes, it is. What number are you looking for?
632. I'm looking for my sister Stella before.
Well, you just missed her.
Can this be her house?
Yes, it is. She wasn't expecting you, was she?
Not today.
I heard you're a teacher.
Yes, but...
Well, go on and go wait for her in her house.
Oh no, I'd rather go look for her.
She's just across the street at the bar.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, what?
Now where is Stanley? I have to meet him.
He's right there. That handsome boy who's wearing a white t-shirt. Let's get some drinks. Oh, by the way, let me introduce you to them. Stanley, Mitch, this is Blantyboy. She's my sister. She came all the way from Barry to visit us.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Boy. I'm Mitch.
Oh, the place is all mine.
Oh, let's eat here.
Oh no, I'm much rather go there.
What's wrong with this place?
No reason, I just want to go there.
Yo, man.
Oh,
Let's get up here.
You
My
have
grandma
a
is sick.
Shut up, man. Why don't you stay with her?
Man, you got your wife, man. Run.
Yo, this guy's tripping, man. You know.
Damn, son.
Ah, no. Let me get my beer, man. Why you taking my beer? Why you taking my beer? My wife,
Stanley, stop!
Stay out of this.
What?
Oh, baby, stop!
No,
Stanley,
tell me to
please
get my
stop!
beer.
Oh, baby, stop! Oh my God!
Sure, man.
Damn.
I feel this, man. Stella, I want my baby Stella back. I want my baby Stella back. Please, I want to see my baby back.
No, you can't see her. She doesn't want to.
Please, please, I want to see Stella back. Stella! Please, I want to see Stella, my baby back. Stella, my baby, I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry.
God. Go.
So Stella, what happened to you last night?
Oh, nothing really. Stanley was just drunk. It was nothing serious.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. You guys want to do something fun today?
Oh, I was thinking about that too.
What do you think? Let's go bowling. Let's go. That's a good idea, right?
Okay,
Let's go, baby.